Hello, dear friends. Today we are going to discuss the importance or significance of communication in organization. What is the exact role of communication in business organization? At the very beginning of the introduction of my syllabus, I told you that the title itself has got three important parts: business, communication, and in English. What is communication? We have in detail discussed. There will be some technical questions asked on the process of communication. In detail, we will discuss it. Communication is neither transmission of a message nor the message itself. A kind of paradox I am going to use. It is mutual exchange of understanding, thoughts, ideas, emotions in between sender and receiver. There is the process of communication to make common ideas, emotions, thoughts are made common through the process of communication. And what is the exact role of communication in organization? It is the essence of management. It is the essence of management because the basic functions of the management are planning, organization or organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. Management has these objectives or functions to perform, and without the process of communication, effective communication, it is impossible to carry out. Business communication involves constant flow of information. What are the objectives of business communication? We are going to discuss those things. But what is the importance or significance of communication in organization? Constant flow of information. We are going to provide information at the same time collecting all possible information through every possible sources. And feedback is the internal part, unavoidable part of this entire process. Nowadays, organizations, business organizations have changed their very nature. These organizations are no more the small organizations ruled by, controlled by, and worked by, employed by a dozen or 2 dozen or say like 100 people. No. Thousands and thousands of people are working at a time in this organization. These people are divided in number of continents, nations. At the same time, there is a kind of hierarchy, pyramid-like structure. Few people are controlling the organization, and people are divided among sections, subsections, grading, first class, second class, third class, fourth class, etc., etc. According to their jobs, according to their services, according to their jobs and according to the services, even the payment, their place. As there are number of levels, gradings, structures, pyramid-like structure, communication plays very important role to bring all them together, to bring all the people or all the employees together. And the most difficult part of the management to bring them together on one platform. Communication plays important role. I would like to give a simple example so that you may understand. The human body is divided among number of parts and they have got respective works or functions. But everything is recorded and controlled by brain. All these sensations are controlled by brain. And it is through the communication. Controlling power is possible. Communication plays very important role in the processing of directing the people, controlling the people of organization, leading all the people towards one particular direction. There must be effective communication in between seniors and juniors, as there are number of levels are there and these people are working. There must be proper communication because the organizations nowadays are turned into societies, different types of societies. Modern international organizations have got at a time branches in Sindhudurga district, in Kolhapur district, in Maharashtra, in Pakistan, in Sri Lanka. Number of nations are divided, and there is one controlling power which is controlling all these people. We have seen that communication, what are important things regarding communication? A human being cannot live without communication. And number of times there is meaningless, underline the word meaningless, meaningless communication. Hello, hi, good morning. What we are going to exchange? Very important thoughts, very important ideas. When in organization you are paid highest salary, stipends and all other facilities, only because you are working, 80% of your work is related with communication. Means only for communication the higher officers are paid, and we should properly understand it. Business communication is always goal-oriented communication. There are certain objectives to achieve, and so communication is goal-oriented communication. It is not casual the way hello, hi, good morning, good evening. No. As effective communication is significant for the management, for the managers, in the organization of entire performance, how to perform the proper functions of organization or management. Communication helps all the managers or superiors to perform their jobs and responsibility perfectly. Communication is the foundation of all the planning, because only in the meeting we are communicating our strengths, our powers, our ability, our potentiality as well as our limitations. It is in the process of meeting, that is discussion or communication, we come to know how to overcome these limitations. We may achieve the goals, team goals, only through communication. Controlling is not possible. Controlling is not possible without written or oral communication. As we have seen that almost 75-80% of time, working time of the highest or higher levels of people, managers, they spend their time in communication. Minimum 6 hours per day are devoted only for communication. So, success of organization depends upon communication. We must get the information regarding laws, national and international situations, ups and downs. At the same time, what are the demands and likeness and love and hatred of our customers? What are different policies, changing different policies of governments? Chance to enhance or expand our organization. We must get this information, receive this information. At the same time, we are using the technology, and technology is something which is continuously changing. Advanced technology enters into it. We must be alert to find out what are the modern or advanced technologies used in the process of production. We should keep the secrets of our process of technology or technology process. At the same time, we must get information, proper information of modern technologies used by our rivals. Rivals means the competitive organizations. Sabun, for example, soap is not produced by only one company. There are literally hundreds of most popular brands available in the market. What are new technologies they are used? What are the sources of technology? We must get this back. In this way, importance of business communication or communication in business organization, very important thing that people are not machines. Mind well, people are not machines. There are two types of labors, technological labors and human labor. And human labor is a human being and he has got mind, emotions, reasoning capacity. He thinks in a different way. In a given format, in a given order, a machine will work. But man will think in a different way, not in a given format or instructions. Very important thing that the machines require only fuel, electricity or power or energy, any kind of energy to work. But human being requires encouragement, motivation. Man remains the man and machine remains the machine. It is not possible that any machine will perform out of its limitation. But the history of Marathas will display number of such examples that whenever people are motivated, they are surcharged with some emotions. They perform the divine role. Can you calculate? Can you compare Baji Prabhu, his performance, with any machinery? When people are motivated, they are surcharged. And business communication or communication in organization must create these kind of right emotions. We must motivate the people. And for this motivation, was there any promotion? Was there any increment which was put before the great Marathas? No. They were fighting for their Shivaji. लाख गेले तरी चालतील पण लाखाचा पोशिंदामान जाता कामा नये. राजांच्यावर त्यांचं प्रेम होतं आणि त्या प्रेमासाठी they were ready to sacrifice their lives. When people are motivated, everything is altered, everything is changed. Even in the most personal, emotional matters, motivated people come out and perform something different. Great Tanaji was there only to invite Raje for the marriage of his son, Raiba. But he had himself accepted the responsibility. This is called motivation. We must motivate the people because human beings are not the machines. Okay? Communication is the source of information. We are going to change our strategy, even the performance, making some changes in production, sale, even advertisement. We must receive this information and implement this information accordingly. Communication is very important to alter, to change the attitude of the people. And it is only through the communication. I told you that whenever energy is supplied to the machine will perform accordingly. It is fixed program. But man will think in a different way. Example, you were told this famous story of the attitude. भरलेला ग्लास, अर्धा ग्लास भरलेला आहे, अर्धा ग्लास रिकामा आहे, एक ग्लास अर्धा भरलेला आहे, एक ग्लास रिकामा आहे. These are the different attitudes. And you may change this attitude with the help of communication. Because as we have seen that thousands and thousands of people are working in our organization, they are divided in different levels, grading or pyramid type. Synthesis must be there. And it is possible that one of the parts can be performing in a wrong way. Okay? So, his attitude, his views, his opinions must be clarified and changed. And it is possible only through communication. It helps us socialization. It helps us to socialization of organization. So communication plays the important role in organization. It is simply the synthesis. What is the exact work of communication in organization? Let me tell you. You might have come across the oil engines, motorcycles or cars or huge trucks, etc. The main engine which works there, different parts are functioning there. इंजिन नावाचा एक पार्ट असतो, एनर्जी बाहेरून पुरवलेली असते and they are working. These parts are working. And this engine tank is filled with engine oil. What is the role of engine oil? Is it performing anything? No, it is simply the lubricating power. It is lubrication. All the functions are possible only when there will be engine oil. Otherwise, there will be friction. Friction, sangharsha, ghasne. And the entire engine will be burst out. Engine oil plays the role of lubrication. It lowers down the temperature. It reduces the friction. हे सगळे पार्ट घासून बाद झाले असते पण ते घर्षण कमी केले जातं. And the entire performance of engine depends upon engine oil. And communication plays the role of this engine oil in organization. Okay, thank you my friends. During the next lecture, we will discuss something different.